Write the structures of products of the following reaction. So, when benzene is treated with acid chloride or C double bond O Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So, what will I get? I will get a ketone here. C double bond O R will get a ketone. Now let us go back to this equation. Benzene is treated with C2H5COCl. So what will be substituted on the benzene ring? C6H5 C double bond O C2H5. This is the product obtained. What is the first reaction? Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now second option, dialkyl cadmium is treated with acid chloride. First let us write the general equation. When acid chloride is treated with dialkyl cadmium. So to differentiate between these two alkyl groups, I will put R here and R dash here. So what is the product obtained here also? You will get a ketone. But one alkyl group from acid chloride and one alkyl group will be from dialkyl cadmium. So this is another method for the preparation of ketones from acid chloride. When acid chloride is treated with dialkyl cadmium, you will get ketones. So what is the product here? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C6H5. So what is the alkyl group from acid chloride? CH3. What is the alkyl group from dialkyl cadmium? C6H5, CH2. So that is the product obtained in the second